Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Welcome to this do-it-yourself video and on how you can fix the charge port on your iPhone. Now, if you're having trouble charging your phone or connecting it to a computer, it might have a faulty charge port. That might be the culprit. Fortunately, replacing it is pretty straightforward process, and you can do it yourself with the right tools and a bit of patience. Now, in this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps to remove your old charge port and install a new one, like this one I bought off Amazon for about $10. Now, please note, while performing this repair, it may void your iPhone's warranty and can be risky if you're not familiar with working on electronics. So we highly recommend that you proceed at your own risk and take all the necessary precautions to protect yourself and your phone. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So now I have the part right here, and it didn't come with any instructions. There was a video that you can watch on YouTube, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. So I've got my phone right here with the faulty port, and looks like it came with some tools. See right there. So this is the new charge port, and there it is right there, and that goes. That's gonna replace that, okay? And came with some tools here, so if you can see how very tiny these little screwdrivers are. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, and if these don't work, we've got another set of professional tools to work with right here. And let me start and say that I am in no way a phone repair guy. So this is out of necessity, and we're just gonna see if this works, if an average, ordinary person who knows absolutely nothing about fixing phones can do it. If I can do it, then you can too. So let's go ahead and see if we can open this thing up, okay? I'm going to use this suction thing to open it up here. See if I can get it. So again, try to see if I can get this thing open. Of course, the video made it seem pretty simple. If we can get this thing off. What do you think, guys? Well, it looks like before we do that, there's some very tiny screws here. So let me go ahead and put on my headset to see, possibly see a little bit more what's going on here. There are two screws in here, so that's why that wasn't working. Again, looks like that one doesn't work. Let's try this one. Two very tiny screws. Trying to remove right now. God, that's small. And again, maybe this will work, maybe it won't work. We are gonna find out, because these phones can be pretty expensive. And if it doesn't work, we've only lost about $10 First, I gotta get these screws out of here. Oh, you know what? These two aren't working, so maybe it's this one. maybe it's the blue one. So. And okay. Well, it looks like these screws were in there pretty well. However, it would have helped if they would have put some instructions, included some instructions, and included which one of these 3 screwdrivers was the one you're supposed to use. But that probably would have been too much to ask. So I'm gonna switch over to some better tools. See if I can knock this out. Is that it? Is that coming? Is that coming out? Let's try a different one. Put that in here. Oh. Having a very hard time removing these screws. It's two screws keeping us away from our destiny. Are we gonna give up? Are we gonna try to win? Wow. Take these gloves off. Now it's getting serious. So many tools. Let's see if anyone has ever opened up an iPhone before. Have any of you guys opened up an iPhone before? Yeah. No? Okay, so where am I? Is it the screw? You took
I did an iPhone 5.
But was it the screws? Did you do the screws first?
Well, I remember I pried open the case and I don't remember doing the screws until after that.
Okay, so we're prying over the space. We're gonna go ahead and pry over the space around it, which is what we've been trying to do. However,
go between glass
and that's what I was thinking too, but I am having a terrible time getting this thing, prying this thing open. try this tool here. Uh-oh, I think we might be, let's see. I think we're getting close. I heard something. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think we might be onto something. While I do that, can we adjust this camera right here? Okay. Oh, these sneaky little devils. They seem to applied some type of epoxy here. Thanks to our wonderful tip from John, who's off camera, we're a little bit closer to opening this baby up. So it's like we have to, and I don't know why they wouldn't include this tool. Again, maybe that's why it was $10, but should have came with a tool, special tool to slide in here. And once we, so again, we had it a second ago. Gonna have to open it up again. It's got some type of epoxy sticking it, holding it down. So if I could just get this tool in the right spot, might be able to. And again, we were so close a minute ago. There we go. Looks like this phone is on. Maybe I should have turned it off. There we go. I think it wants me to win so bad. It wants me to get in there. See it? You guys see it opening it up? Oh. I don't know if we can. John, can you hop on this one and adjust as I move around the table? Oh, can you see that? Oh, can you guys see that? We're winning a little bit here, so we've kind of got it open. So now we've opened it, and apparently we're going to be careful because there's some ribbon. I see it right down there. There's a ribbon that's attached that we don't want to mess up. Some glue. So basically it was the glue that was the hardest thing. So now we got it open. I'm gonna go ahead and take out some screws. Look at our part here. So apparently we're supposed to disconnect it from the battery. And we're gonna do that here. One screw. Two screws. Three screws. Four screws. And that came apart. Okay. So now let's look at this port down here. Of course, we're gonna have to put this all back together. Well, that wasn't good. That came off. I think maybe we've already failed. Where did this little piece come from? It looks like that came there. So let's see. All right, well, let's get a close-up on that. Can you get a close-up? Can you get a close-up on that? And so that's a big mistake. That's a no-no. So I broke it. So I think we're gonna have to order some more parts to fix this iPhone. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead into the close. See it up to the close. All right. So folks, what did we learn today? That failure is not a bad thing. In fact, failure is a great thing, because without failing, then there's no learning. And so we learned today that, you know, we tried to fix it and it didn't work this time, and that's just how it goes. That's the story of life. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But we lost this round, but we're gonna do this again, and we're gonna have another opportunity to redeem ourselves. So I don't want you to think that it's not worth doing. I think one of our biggest failures was not knowing that this was, it had epoxy around it. That would have helped us fix this iPhone, knowing it had epoxy around it. And also being a little bit more fragile with the product. Some better instructions would have helped as well. And you know, so we'll try it again. Didn't work out today, but no, put the buzzer. Didn't work out today. We didn't fix the phone, but we tried and we attempted, and without failure, we cannot achieve greatness. So I'm Mike at Affiliates Blue Vine Farm. I will see you in the next video, and done with this thing.